Good afternoon, folks. My next rant of the day is of the Realme Pad X. It was announced in China in May and it was an Wi-Fi only slate, but now they're gearing to launch the new version in India, and it is known as the only 5G tablet in the premium mid-range space in India. It has a feature called Limelight, which will track up to 5 people from the front camera. It will follow you around, crop in and crop out, depending on the number of people in the frame. Their algorithm can be used for different apps. You can use for like in Zoom, Google Meet, Google Duo. Realme is also working to add this functionality to other calling apps. It will be unveiled on the 26th of this month. Along with that, they will bring a new smartwatch, couple of headphones and a monitor. Just as same old Realme Pad X, but with 5G. It's good to see such things come out in India for competitive pricing. Hope they can give like at least 3 Android updates, with they're only promising one other moment, which is very poor. But anyway, for more such videos, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.